Guess who's going to get their nose pierced? Low-key kind of scared, but I'm really excited. I hope it doesn't hurt too much, but I've been waiting for this moment. Like, I've been waiting. So, I'm just waiting for my mom to get out the supermarket, and then we're gonna head over there, and hopefully this goes like this, and I'll be good. But yeah, wish me luck, and we gonna get it done. So I just filled out all the forms, and now I'm just waiting to get it done. Super scared, but it's cool. Oh, okay.
You good?
Yeah. I don't know, like, if I can take a breath.
If you put that down, you could probably watch through your phone.
Okay. I don't even know if I should watch. Like, that's the thing.
It's super quick. It's not bad. I don't think it's gonna freak you out. You seem pretty tough.
I hope so.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Okay, don't put your head away.
Okay. Yeah, I know.
Oh, you're tearing
I know.
up.
I tear a lot, even outside, like in the wind and everything.
Yeah.
Oh, is it running? Oh. Yeah, I didn't really know what to expect. I didn't know if it would bleed a lot. Oh, this is so nice though.
It's cute.
Oh my gosh. Yeah. Should I just keep putting something on it?
You don't have to put anything on it. Just clean it with saline solution or Vectine. We sell saline if you need it.
Oh, it's bleeding on the inside too. It's cute though.
So saline solution, it's a sea salt solution. The saline is the same thing.
And you guys sell that one? Okay.
It's not this big, it's a tiny one.
Okay.
Wet a couple Q-tips. Use the first Q-tip to clean the inside. Push it out a tiny bit so it raises up, and then clean the outside with another one.
Okay.
Alright? So like kind of use two hands, like pop it out, and then
Okay.
try not to use your fingers too much. Try not to like play with it.
Yeah, I don't even want to touch it.
Be careful with like needles and stuff, like washing your face.
Yeah.
Yeah, like when you dry your face, pat it instead of like, you know.
Thank you.
It's cool.
Thank you. I'm so happy. That was really fast. Okay. Thank you so much. So I am done. I think it looks really, really cute. Yeah. I was bleeding a lot, as you guys could see, but I'm done. So as you guys can see, this is it. Ooh, I'm actually about to clean it just before the video is over, for the first time we clean it at home. So yeah, I'm actually like so obsessed with it. But basically she's telling me to take some water, put them on some Q-tips. First start with the one on the bottom and then sort of like go in. Ooh, it stings a little. Y'all see that? Disgusting. Go in and around. Cause I gotta get all that And then she wants me to like push it up, which at this point I don't even know how to like. I think I did it. Ooh, that hurts. That hurts. Ooh. Yeah, I like bled a lot on the inside. Then I was given this saline wash spray that I'm basically going to just spray directly on the piercing itself and let it air dry. And yeah, it's like a saltwater solution, basically just supposed to help with the healing process. Okay. I think I got that. Now we just let that bad boy air dry. So I think now that it's actually clean, I can feel it. Like I keep flaring my nostrils like a fool, and I definitely still feel not necessarily like pain, but a soreness from the piercing. As you guys can see, I felt pain when that joint went in. When it went in, it hurt. Definitely gonna say on a scale of 1 to 10, I think the pain level was like a good 6, 7. Just because it was so fast. Literally, like, the pain hit 7. After it went through, it was done. Even walking out, I did not feel pain. I just felt perfectly fine. I love this placement. I love how small it is. Like, back here, you can barely even tell I have it. Then I come close and it's like, well, who is she? You feel me? So, like, I had a great experience. I think it was just great. I'm obsessed with this. It cost me about 40 bucks, and then I paid like 10 bucks for the solution. I'm pretty happy with it. I'm glad I got to take you guys with me to get it. Hope that it heals well. I'm just super excited that I finally got it. I think it looks super cute. Super cute. Like, if you got to the end, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. No, it's super short, super quick, but I just definitely wanted to document this experience. And yeah, if you want more content like this or even better content, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next upload.